Open sales, then credit notes. Review the credited total, count and available filters. Open invoices, select the original tax invoice and verify it. Choose credit notes so BooksIQ links and copies the source transaction. Confirm customer, linked invoice, place of supply and date. Enter the real business reason, 1 defective keyboard returned. Change quantity from 2 to 1. Confirm HSN 8471, taxable value 1200, GST 216 and total 1416. Track stock will increase. Create the note and confirm its number, issued status, original invoice, reason, quantity and taxes. It reverses revenue, output GST and receivable. Journal debits sales 1200 and output CGST and SGST 108 each, then credits receivable 1416. Because the invoice was paid, the note creates a customer credit for refund or future adjustment. Items shows the returned keyboard back in stock. Voiding reverses entry and stock while preserving the audit trail. Return to credit notes and confirm the number, customer, total and issued status.